Alright guys, so man, I think this part's the wrong part too, but so basically the blower motor, this is a weird part, but the blower motor works only on high. It doesn't work on any other setting. So I looked it up, and apparently this is the part you're supposed to change up, and it might even be not the right part. Maybe it's not right, but anyway, it could be, maybe the right part. It's probably the right part, but just a rant on Fords and these little sockets that they have, where instead of pushing it in to get it out, you'd have to push it up out to get it out. Oh man, these are like the most pain in the butt things for it, and it's just like strung out throughout the whole entire car with these sockets, like the worst sockets in the world. Because you gotta get, like, I believe you gotta get one screwdriver here and one screwdriver here to get it out. I mean, it'd be one thing if it's like one side of it is that way, but you got both sides of it this way. You can't actually just, it's not an easy thing. It's not the easiest thing to do. It's just a pain in the butt the way they set that up.